Hello all. Today we will learn how to add new team in Togile CRM. To begin with, click on Users. After that, click on Manage Teams. Next, click on Add Team. Following that, click on Name and add the name of the team. Then, click on Select Manager and choose from the drop-down menu. After that, click on Description. Once done, click on Save. Click on the name of the team we just created. Click on Assign Users. Tick checkbox to assign users to a team. You can add as many users as you want. Once done, click on right arrow to shift the selected users to the right column. Once done, click on Save. Once that's done, you can see the user count is 3. Finally, click on Save. And you've successfully created a new team in Togile CRM.